When it comes to sanding larger surfaces, a belt sander is definitely my go-to tool. This industrial belt sander from Ryobi makes quick and easy work of any sanding job. It's perfect for surface finishing on wood or metal, especially when you're sanding long lengths or larger surfaces. This belt sander has a powerful 810 watt motor that drives the belt at 250 meters per minute, making removing materials quick and easy. The 76 by 533mm belts are easily interchangeable using the lever on the side. Just turn the machine over and pull the lever, releasing the tension on the belt. The belt can then be centered on the rubber rollers using the adjustment knob on the side. Another feature I really like about this sander is the cut-off front guard, which allows you to get even closer into the corners. It also comes with a dust bag with a zipper, making it easy to empty, keeping your workspace clean and dust-free. The light weight of 2.7 kgs, comfortable molded handles, and power trigger with easily accessible thumb lock make the sander a pleasure to use, even for extended periods. Overall, a good and strong sander at a very good price. Now, this is just one of the belt sanders available at Builders. For more product reviews like this, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.